When the temperature drops, the tiny water vapors in the clouds become liquid, then these droplets fall down as rain. It provides a relief from the blazing heat of the summer season. People of every region enjoy the rainy weather and arrange several indoor activities to relish this fantastic weather. Rainy weather turns the weather charming and pleasing for everyone, as climate affects our mood and behavior, so we have lots of fun in this delightful weather. Rain is essential for watering gardens, growing forests and jungles, farming, and preserving water in our dams and reservoirs. Now we know how important raining is for every living thing. We enjoy sitting under the shady trees on a hot sunny day. We get fruits, flowers, and vegetables from plants and trees, which require regular supply of water to grow and flourish. Trees grow with the help of rainwater. Plants absorb water from the soil, which is carried to the leaves to prepare food for its survival. Rainy weather is not only enjoyable and lovely, it also supports life on our planet. We humans need water to drink, keep ourselves clean, grow plants and vegetables. Even animals need water to live and survive. Rain plays a key role in growing and nurturing the crops. Mostly farmers depend on the rainwater for growing crops, so this makes the rainy weather very important. A balanced and sufficient amount of rain can result to a good crop yield, whereas less amount of rain can cause crop yield to drop below our needs. Rainfall is usually higher in the highlands than in the lowlands, where rain is the only source of water. In deserted areas, rain is essential to fulfill our water requirements when ponds and wells get dry, causing water shortage, resulting in drought. In such situations, every living thing looks forward for a rainy day. Water shortage is one of the biggest challenges we face nowadays because safe drinking water is reducing every year. Regions that get little rain make use of rainwater by collecting it in dams and reservoirs, so life can continue unaffected during the shortage of rain. Whereas regions that get heavy rains prevent flooding by collecting rainwater in dams and reservoirs, so life can continue unaffected by the floods. As we all know that rain is the main source of life for us humans, plants, and all other living things, so it's very important to preserve this precious and scarce commodity. Look at this girl, she is collecting rainwater for her plants. If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.